Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can tie a Slingstone hitch knot. For this I'm going to be using a gold ring and I have a length of macrame cord. I folded the cord in half and I found the centre point, and then we're going to put the cord through the front of the ring. Then we are going to separate the loop at the back and pull the cords through, but we're not going to pull them tight to start with. We're just going to separate them apart a little bit more, taking one of the strands of cord, push it through the loop again and pull that. Then it just looks like it's twisted, and then we are going to repeat the same with the other side. Push it through the loop and pull that through, so they are both the same now and there's twisted cord on both sides. Then taking the two pieces of cord in our hands, we are going to start to pull those together, and we can see now that the cord is getting tighter at the top, and that is forming our Slingstone hitch knot. And we're just going to make sure that it's all tucked in nicely and tight at the top. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.